Strength training is undoubtedly beneficial, but solely relying on it won't bulk up those muscles. That's because nutrition plays a pivotal role, accounting for a whopping 70% of our success in muscle gain. In this video, I've meticulously compiled a list of top-tier foods that will significantly aid in this journey. So, make sure to watch till the end for some deliciously useful tips. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all my latest content. We're all aware that protein, alongside a specific set of essential amino acids derived from our diet, serves as the building block for our muscle fibers. But here's a kicker. Not all proteins are created equal. Beyond just the amount of protein, its quality is equally crucial. While the recommended protein intake for muscle building is generally between 1.5 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight, the talk about protein quality isn't as widespread. Experts have developed a metric known as the Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, PDCAAS, which evaluates how well the amino acid profile of a food meets the body's needs. A score of 1 represents the pinnacle of protein quality, with anything less indicating a lower quality. Foods that come close to this ideal score are considered the most efficient and complete protein sources. Let's delve into these protein powerhouses. Long hailed as one of the best sources of protein, eggs have their share of detractors due to their cholesterol content. Despite the debate, dietary cholesterol from eggs does contribute to a modest increase in blood cholesterol levels. Eggs are also rich in choline, which in excess isn't ideal. However, from a protein quality standpoint, eggs are unmatched. Their PDCAAS score is a perfect 1, thanks to their comprehensive amino acid profile and the fact that they're essentially a single cell, making them exceptionally digestible compared to more complex structures like meat fibers. With a PDCAAS score of 0.92, beef is slightly less perfect than eggs, but still a high-quality protein source. It's packed with all the essential amino acids in ratios similar to human muscle, making it highly effective for muscle building in conjunction with strength training. However, beef can be hard to digest and has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer, prompting recommendations to opt for other meat types. In the quest for optimal muscle growth, the nutritional quality of the protein sources we choose plays a crucial role. Among these, chicken breast stands out as an exceptionally beneficial option for fitness enthusiasts and bodybuilders alike. Esteemed for its lean composition, chicken breast is not only easily digestible, but also presents a lower risk to health when compared to red meats, which are often higher in saturated fats and cholesterol. Boasting a protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, PDCAAS, of approximately 0.92, chicken breast provides a substantial 31 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams. This impressive protein content is instrumental in supporting the growth and repair of muscle mass, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to increase their muscle size without accumulating unwanted fat. Moreover, the lean nature of chicken breast makes it an excellent dietary staple for those on a bulking regimen who are keen to maintain a lean physique. Its high protein efficiency ratio ensures that you get a significant amount of essential amino acids, which are vital for muscle synthesis and recovery after workouts. Additionally, chicken breast is versatile and can be prepared in various healthy ways, ensuring your diet remains not only nutritious, but also enjoyable. Incorporating chicken breast into your diet, alongside other protein-rich foods and a balanced intake of carbs and fats, can significantly contribute to achieving your muscle-building goals while also promoting overall health and well-being. Dairy scores a PDCAAS of 1, making it an excellent protein source. However, lactose intolerance can make milk problematic for many adults, causing discomfort and digestive issues. Additionally, the presence of estrogen in milk from pregnant cows raises health concerns alongside casein, which some individuals react negatively to. Despite these drawbacks, dairy products like cottage cheese, especially consumed at night, can support muscle synthesis throughout the night due to the slow digesting casein protein. With a slightly lower PDCAAS score of 0.78, fish is still a premium source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for overall health and inflammation reduction. Studies have shown that populations consuming more fish have longer lifespans, particularly compared to those consuming large amounts of red or white meat. To optimize muscle gain, it's essential to understand the role of nutrition alongside your workout regimen. Immediately after your workout, whey protein is highly recommended due to its rapid absorption rate and an amino acid profile that's superior for muscle recovery and growth. This ensures your muscles receive the crucial nutrients they need right when they need them most. Throughout the day, your diet should focus on lean proteins that support sustained muscle synthesis without excessive calories. Fish, with its beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, and lean poultry like chicken or turkey breast, provide high-quality protein with a good balance of essential amino acids. Red meat can be included occasionally for its rich nutrient profile, including iron and vitamin B12, but it's important to choose lean cuts to avoid excess saturated fats. Cottage cheese is another excellent addition, especially in the evening. Its slow-digesting casein protein provides a steady supply of amino acids throughout the night, aiding in muscle repair and growth while you sleep. This comprehensive approach to nutrition, combined with regular strength training, will significantly enhance your muscle-building efforts, ensuring you're not just working hard, but also smart, by fueling your body with what it needs to grow stronger and more muscular. I'm curious to hear about your go-to muscle-building foods, so drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video about protein. Until then, keep pushing your limits and nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer.